We are there to hold your hand as deity. Our job is to facilitate. The job, real hard work, leg work, thinking work has to be done at your end. So, a number of things we are doing from our side to facilitate, which is mentioned here. One is the integrated framework for e-service delivery, which puts together in a more detailed manner in a document form which Honorable Ministers will request them to release shortly now. That will be with you. Then the model ESD rules, that is electronic service delivery. How can you deliver across the counter services, impactful services to various departments? What is the framework for it? How can you disempower the government officials and empower the CSC legally? So a set of model rules which is vetted by the law department here, so that there are no hassles in getting the approvals at your state level. This is to be passed by the states under the powers vested under the IT Act 2000. They are with you today on release by the Honorable Ministers. Then model RFPs for e-district rollout, tweaking and squeezing whatever I mentioned earlier in the form of legal document will be given to you in a week or so, or maximum 2 weeks. eGov App Store, whatever is replicable will be put in an app store in the central location in a platform here. So you can just plug and take the fruit. That kind of a situation we are going to create using the cloud architecture. We work closely with NIC to achieve this. And flexibility, sir, my submission here is, way back it was thought that every document will have to be vetted and approved because it's 100% funded by the Government of India. But in several schemes, we have seen success like in NRHM, etc., where there is a considerable leeway in implementation to the state governments. We are suggesting a little bit of flexibility in that implementation side, that will separately come back to you, sir, for approval. Giving some implementation procedural flexibility to the states. There is an apex committee headed by the Chief Secretary. They will be empowered to take whatever implementation decisions there. Then that will be faster. Everything coming to a one single place centralization is causing delays and problems. Iteration, there is some doubt that 1 or 2 months goes. So we want to cut that, let them take the decision and show the result. How many decisions have been impacted? That is the result. Policy, as mentioned by Additional Secretary, policy on HR is round the corner. In a couple of weeks, it should be out. And similarly, recommendations of the expert group of, constituted by the government on NEGP and special focus on BPR. How much difference have we made in each MSP? Is the goal of that. So all this will be our facilitation towards, helping you go faster towards realizing NEGP vision. I hope that we'll all work as a team, and any problem, anything, you are always welcome to contact us. We'll work as a team and achieve the goal at this time. And on behalf of all of us, I would like to personally thank both the Honorable Ministers for sparing their valuable time. It shows also the kind of, the aspiration and the motivational aspect that they are having in their mind for sparing their valuable time for this event. Thank you very much.